Karl Albert Bucher (1866 to 1952) was a German-born American painter who made a significant mark on the art world with his Impressionist works, although his name is not as well known today as some of his contemporaries. Bucher's contribution to American Impressionism were considerable. His pieces were characterized by vibrant color, unique composition, and his special focus on capturing everyday life with the scenes of both intimacy and beauty. Behor was born in Germany but moved to Chicago at a young age, where he would later begin his formal studies at the School of Art Institute of Chicago. His early work were influenced by traditional European style, but as he traveled to Europe and witnessed the rise of Impressionism firsthand, he began to experiment with this modern style. Behore's painting journey took a significant turn when he lived in Gavarnie, France, home to renovate Impressionist Claude Monet. This immersive environment inspired Bohr's color palette and approach to capturing natural light, allowing him to develop a unique style within the Impressionist movement. Impressionism originating in France in the late 19th century sought to break away from the strict rules of academic painting by capturing movement, light, and movement is everyday scenes. Artist world use loose brush stroke and vibrant color to reflect the fleeting scenes of a moment rather than focusing on Price's detail. Buhars embraced this style but applied it with a stable elegance and a softer touch, setting his work apart from other impressionists. He would paint portraits, landscapes, and scenes of leisure with a focus on the peaceful and often idyllic moment in life. His work constantly amplifies mood and atmosphere, often portraying a dreamlike quality. One of the unique aspects of Boher's work was his portrayal of women in quiet moment of contemplation. He frequently painted women reading, sewing, or resting by a window, capturing the quiet beauty of everyday life. His brushwork, which softened the gas and blended stone, created a scene of calm and tranquility in his portraits. These works reveal his appreciation for intimacy, portraying his subjects with respect and gentleness. His plate was often light and pastel, giving a scene of elegance that was further acquainted by his skilled use of light. For example, Beher would carefully paint natural light streaming in thought a window or reflecting of a woman's dress, creating a scene and almost meditative atmosphere. His work was also defined by an extraordinary attention for color. Like many inspirationists, Bucher experimented with vibrant hues and contrasting colors, but he often preferred a softer approach. His use of color was both emotive and realistic, reflecting the feeling of a scene while remaining true to life. Pure's color choices gave his